We welcome one and all to this Forge factory.
We founded Forge with a vision to make technology, innovation, fabrication, design, entrepreneurship, all of this very accessible to the young minds. The other side, if you look at what's happening in the startup hotspots, whether it's Bangalore or Hyderabad or Delhi, NCR, Bombay, largely it's centered around venture creation model, right? Where you expect as an investor that a startup can potentially give them 100x, 1000x returns. But not all ideas have that kind of a potential to start with. And in many cases, you need to allow those ideas to be prototyped, to be tested in the hands of the target customer, for you to really assess as to its potential. So that's basically pre-incubation. And what we have found by working with students, working with many institutions, is that there is this huge latent capacity for innovation within students, within researchers, within educators, in institutions. So how do you formalize that model so that more innovations come out of institutions is what we have tried to do in Forge. And very happy to announce the launch of this program called FORGE.FELLOWS. And the two important words here are micro innovators and tech enterprises, right? So we're basically saying, can we, let's say there are 100 ideas coming to our doorstep. Can we have 90 of those ideas converted into enterprises first? So that maybe 5 or 10 out of those 90 enterprises can potentially become high growth enterprises or ventures, which is what will really interest the venture capitalist, VC investor, groups and communities, right? So this is a complete program manual of this program. The idea is that we wanted education institutions to be able to do this on their own, and Forge is there to support. So we'd like for you to unveil this. This booklet has anything and everything that they need to know to set it up as well as run this program. And the first copy of this should go to Unnat.